Friends, teachers, principal, some of the parents who have assembled here for this morning Independence Day function. We are celebrating 67th Independence Day today. 15th August, every year, this is one festival. I would call it a festival because it is celebrated all over the country by 117 crores today, I can say. So when majority people are celebrating it, it should be a festival only. Every year we do this, remembering all those great leaders, freedom fighters, and for their contribution in bringing us the democracy. Our country is the largest country in the world where democracy is practiced, where democracy is enjoyed. In no other country you have this kind of freedom. Second best country can be only US. This is the day that we give our gratitude by remembering all those who are alive today as freedom fighters and become very old. They cannot even move out also. There may be some freedom fighters here and there living in different parts of the country. For all those people who have toiled hard, struggled hard to get us the freedom from 200 years of colonial rule that we had under British rule. When it comes to Independence Day, we have to understand that three eras. One is prior to Gandhi era, prior to Mahatma Gandhi era, and post-independence era. We can call it like this. For the information of young students, I would like to just touch upon all these three eras that we are talking about. What was the condition prior to Gandhi? There were so many freedom fighters. There were many people whose names cannot be listed here by me because they run into hundreds and thousands of people, right from Palagara to Samantarajas. All those people fought for the independence of this country. I cannot name most of them. Maybe even I am not aware of it. Even if I take the pages of history, it is very difficult to remember. In one word, we can say pre-Gandhi era freedom fighters, including Shivaji has fought for this, including Tipu Sultan. It started during his regime only, freedom for the country. Veerapanda Kattabomman in Tamil Nadu, he had to fight with the British. You are all aware of it in the pages of the history. Go back to that. But why we remember more Mahatma Gandhi? He led the team, he led the country, he led the people. Struggle for your right. His weapon was peace. When countries are fought with a war, with the weapons, with the bloodshed, and with the destruction of the country's development, etc., there was one leader called Gandhi. He led the movement. He gathered people from all over the country, from nook and corners of this country, great country. Even in the villages, small villages, people were inspired